Official end of summer is this weekend, but city leaders are concerned debris from May's derecho and Hurricane Beryl in July still remains.
Yeah, council members want to know when will it all be picked up?
Victor Jacobo is live at City Hall with more for us. Victor?
Yeah, Councilmember Joaquin Martinez said today that parts of his district, that's District I, still have yet to get a first pass of debris pickup. That's following a summer featuring the derecho and Hurricane Beryl. Here's part of what Councilmember Martinez said during today's council meeting.
August 31st is the deadline for the first pass. I don't think it's going to happen. So last night I was at Civic Club meetings where tree debris has not been picked up. And just telling them, just point blank, being transparent and honest, it's not going to happen. So we need to make sure that we continue to share some realistic expectations to community members.
We checked the solid waste management website map on debris pickup, showing areas where a first pass is still in progress. He says his office has gotten calls about parts of the East End that have not gone to first pass, some even dating back to the derecho. Councilmember Martinez wants solid waste to appear before council to update the chamber on pickup progress and what residents can expect. Solid waste management website maintains an August 31st date for the completion of the first pass, with second passes to begin in earnest, it says, on September 2nd. Now, a date for when solid waste representatives could speak in front of the city council has yet to be determined. Now, reporting live outside City Hall, Victor Jacobo, KHOU 11 News.
Thanks so much, Victor. Still have